Do you want to watch a TV show on UKTVPlay, but all you see is a message like this, or that a page just keeps loading, the video keeps loading, but it doesn't start ever? What's the problem? Well, most likely you're located outside the UK, and as a result you will see this error instead of streaming the actual content. So what can you do to stream UKTVPlay abroad? Well, in the movie description I've included a link to the Surfshark VPN website. This will give you a big discount and you can get an awesome price for the 2-year package. So click that link, visit their website, sign up. If you don't like it, they have a 30-day full refund policy, so it's no risk and you can ask for your money back. Now you can see it's a sad face, but you don't need to have that sad face. When you have signed up, download their application, which is available for iOS, Android, Windows, Macintosh, Android TVs, Fire TVs, and so much more, and connect to server in the UK. Once you're connected, you have a UK IP address. The UKTVPlay website will believe that you are in the UK, and you can simply just reload this page here in my browser window, and I am able to stream The Hard Guy and all the other content on UKTVPlay, no matter where I might be in the world. So that's how easy it is. You can also use Surfshark VPN to access 15 different Netflix regions, to watch BBC, ITV abroad, and so much more. So have a wonderful time and enjoy streaming.